even get to cross.
Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
A young nigga with a dollar and a dream, and these Nikes on my feet, trying to stay about the streets. So I'm rhyming, pulling 187s all on these beats, instead of on the concrete, submitting my future while they were focused on what they cheap. But shit, I'm like a chief head honcho. Tell me that it's impossible, I give it to you pronto. Been working all these late nights and these early mornings like Alonzo. So one day they'll be calling me great, just call me Gonzo. But I'm never acting, nor is anybody pulling strings. Everything I have came from sacrificing everything. I traded working 9 to 5 for the minimum for working non-stop, so my life be like a cinema screen. But in the end I wouldn't have it any other way. Got on my knees and for this rap to work is what I prayed. And that was happening, crunching numbers like Captain, a serial killer, compelling listeners with his passion for words. Never acting my verbs, but truly fashion to serve not only masses but curves, not just the hood but the birds. Know you hear it every time I grace the mic, then I give it to God, feeling blinded by the lights in this song.
Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the skies, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
20-year-old dreaming of whipping Monte Carlos and gold jewelry, looking like I came from El Dorado. Pick up the pen and pad, instead of spitting gin and badge, I'm painting pictures with my words, just call me Young Picasso. These haters only gas me up and then I mash the throttle. Being drinkers think it's safe to say should drop the bottle, cause what I'm spitting is proof and truth is hard to swallow. When rappers losing their heads, that's word to Sleepy Hollow. Nowadays they tryna flex, Johnny Bravo, and I be Rocky in his second fight against Apollo. Underdog, but you see I won the war. Asking me if I could spit is asking me to raise the bar. I've been in this place before, matter of fact most of my life they told me that I would fail, die before I prove them right. Pinning verses on my lunch bag, now I'm doing shows. Lady Luck blew me a kiss, now I'm a prince, never a toad. Bitch your bottom, I'm the greatest, that's on everything I own. And though it isn't much, I want the world like Al Capone. I'm coming for the glory, this is a sermon to the masses. The kid you shitted on is telling you to wipe his ass.
Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the skies, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
On my own, I had a heart then, but the queen has been overthrown, and I'm not sleeping now. The dark is too hard to beat, and I'm not keeping now the strength I need to push me. You're the light that stop me, turn to stone. You shine it when I'm alone. So I tell myself that I'll be strong and dreaming when they're gone. Cause they're calling, calling, calling me home. Calling, calling, calling home. So the light that stop me, turn to stone and shine it when I'm alone.
Yeah, I can hear it now, can hear them loud. Lights on me for a better sound.
sun, but the sun's down. But that doesn't mean that the light's out. Made a fire in the heart and the might be the spark. Good luck trying to turn that light down. We the next on their eyes, no mystery. Tito V and I, author in history. Write a hit song, yeah, that's victory. While you're buying fake fans, that's trickery. And when I'm gone, don't say that you're missing me, cause you took your shots and you missed. Getting better than ever, remember this letter, this light is never gonna dim. Damn, stars I have for a reason, not many are willing to reach. Looking for the lights beyond the stars, while you settle for the lights on the streets. Got my team, now we headed for the peak. See the lights when I'm flying overseas. Live out my life, but it feels like a dream. I can see the lights falling down on me. So here we go, now, moving fast, never slow down. Keep on dreaming till the lights out. This the year that I need now, this the time to strike. This is your life, better get it right, cause you don't get it twice. These are the moments you remember at night, so open your eyes and find your own light. It's not about the hard life, but the hard work you put in from it. Dedication really pays off. See the rays coming down from the summit. See you either breathe it or you bleed it. Do you want it or do you need it? Do you wish it or do you see it? Is it a passion? Do you feel it? This is my mind, body and soul, cause it's really all that I know. And I can't sit behind a desk, say I did my best, not the story I want told. Said I was the worst rapper alive, now they ask when I perform live. Hit a stage with beautiful lights, a beautiful moment that I see in sight. So you can tell me how it's supposed to be, then I'll tell you how it is. Cause a 9 to 5 isn't a life, and being alive doesn't mean you really live. Picked up a pen and a pad, now I'm illustrating all that I have. Got my eyes up past the sky, beyond the stars is where I'm at. So here we go, living the moment and watching it go. Cause every second has gotta be gold, and every record has gotta be cold. Cause in the end everybody gets old. This is your life, better get it right cause you don't get it twice. Open your eyes and find your own life, and meaning in life is a meaningful life. See you.